today. It is Esthetician of the Year, and it goes to the aesthetic doctor. Well, from the Collagen Doc, help me welcome with a huge round of applause all the way from Singapore, Dr. Kenneth Lee. Everybody, give it up for Dr. Kenneth Lee. Come on, guys, keep it going for Dr. Kenneth Lee. Everyone, come on, guys, keep it going, keep it going. Well, the energy should remain intact until the end of this event. We are celebrating the leaders, and it feels so personal today. Every single person bringing their personal stories. Dr. Kenneth Lee.
Hello everyone, thank you very much. Thanks for having me here at this event in this gorgeous city. Aging is scary, but we are here to make the process less scary in aesthetic medicine. And as we are aging, we do not only want to stay healthy, but we want to look and feel young and minimize the effect of aging. So it means a lot to be recognized for the work we are doing in aesthetic medicine. And to live a happy life, we need to be comfortable in our own skin. Thank you very much. Couldn't be more grateful.
Thank you. I'm wishing you all the very best. Keep rising, keep growing, keep shining. Wishing you all the best.